Hi, this is Mrs. Hosmer. Today's mini lesson is a review of multiplying fractions and dividing fractions. So if you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2, and the denominator. 3 times 2 is 6. And of course, always if you can reduce, then reduce the fraction of your answers. So I know these are both even numbers, so I'm going to divide both by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So that would be my final answer here. And we'll do one more. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so numerator, multiply across, denominator, multiply across. Now I can reduce my fraction. I know that both of these, that they're even numbers, that 2 goes into both those numbers. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 20 10 times, okay? Dividing fractions. So first thing I'm going to have you do is rewrite the first fraction, 2/3 divided by 1/9, 2/3. And I'm going to change this to multiplication, okay? And then the second fraction, 1/9, I'm going to flip the fraction. So instead of 1/9, it's going to be 9/1. And now I can just multiply across, okay? 2 times 9 is 18, and 3 times 1 is 3. And I can't leave my answer like this. And why? Because I know 3 goes into 18 6 times. So 3 by, divide the denominator by 3, I need to also divide the numerator by 3. Okay, so 3 goes into 18 6 times. 3 goes into 3 one time. And any number over 1 is a whole number, and that's the answer. Okay? Now, 1/2 divided by 2/5. I'm going to write the first fraction as is. I'm going to change this to a what? Multiplication problem. And I'm going to take my second fraction and I'm going to flip it. I call it flipping. Kids remember that better. Okay, so now you just multiply across the numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. And 2 times 2 is 4. Uh-oh. Now what do? This is an improper fraction. That's like saying I have 5 out of 4 pieces. So I need to take this and divide 4 into 5. 4 goes into 5 one time and subtract it. This will be my whole number, my numerator, and my denominator. So my answer would be 1 1/4. If you wanted to draw that out, in case you're visual, because I'm a visual person. 1 2 3 4. Because it's like saying you have 5 out of 4 parts. Okay, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 out of 4 parts, which really means you have 1 whole and 1/4. Okay, thank you.